When the grid goes down and supermarkets empty in hours, what will you eat? Most people stock up on the wrong things. Welcome to the Gray Kitchen. Today we reveal 5 foods you must hoard before the next crisis, plus a chef's secret weapon you never thought of. Number 1. Raw honey. It's not just a sweetener, it's liquid gold for survival. Real honey never expires. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. In a crisis, it provides instant, long-lasting energy and acts as a natural antibiotic for wound care. Numbers 2 and 3, white rice and dried beans. Separately, they are excellent survival foods. White rice stored without oxygen can last over 30 years, providing massive amounts of carbohydrates. Dried beans are packed with fiber and plant-based protein. But here is the culinary engineering. When consumed together, they form a complete protein. They provide all the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain muscle mass when meat is no longer available. This is the ultimate survival synergy. Number 4. Salt. We aren't talking about seasoning your dinner. We are talking about survival. Without refrigeration, salt is the only way to cure and store meat long-term. It's also crucial for maintaining your body's electrolyte balance. Number 5. Ghee, or clarified butter. Regular butter goes rancid because of water and milk proteins. By removing those impurities, you get ghee, a pure shelf-stable fat that lasts for months at room temperature, delivering massive, dense calories. And finally, the chef's secret weapon, apple cider vinegar. It never expires. Beyond purifying water, it fights the biggest enemy of survival rations, flavor fatigue. A splash of acidity transforms bland food into a meal that boosts morale. Don't wait for the panic. Start building your Gray Pantry today. Subscribe to the Gray Kitchen for more survival gastronomy. Stay prepared.